So based off of the pictures, the easiest way in will probably be the back door.
Okay.
All right, so you want to show me where it's at?
Just to make sure I'm not tripping, just try real quick.
The key. I'm hearing it move. It's almost like it's not retracting all the way. I said it's almost like it's not retracting all the way. The deadbolt's moving, but
It's not.
yeah. Hey, you want to show me to the back door real quick? Alrighty.
John, what's today's date?
Alright. Got that picked. There we go.
So much.
Oh, of course.
Let me get it.
Oh,
You
well.
need a meal or something?